The upcoming iPhone 15 Pro will have thinner bezels and step toward Apple's dream Apple is just weeks away from introducing the iPhone 15, and next-generation watches. The new lineup will mark another stepping stone toward the company's dream life phone, though changes to the Apple Watch will be more modest. Apple designers have long dreamed of an iPhone that is truly off-screen, with no borders around the display and no cutouts for cameras or sensors. With the iPhone 15, this fall Apple will take an other step toward that goal. The process began in 2017 with the iPhone X. With that model, the screen extended right to the edge at the top and bottom for the first time, but it did still have a notch cut out near the top to accommodate Face ID, the speaker, front-facing camera, and other sensors. This year, two of the biggest changes to the 15 line will get Apple closer to that dream iPhone. A standard iPhone 15 models will trade in the notch for the dynamic island, while the Pro and Pro Max displays will be made with a new technology, low injection pressure over molding, or LIPO, as it's dubbed inside Apple. That new process will shrink the border size around the display to 1.5 mm from about 2 mm on current iPhones. LIPO was first used in the Apple Watch Series 7 to make that device's borders thinner and increase the size of the display, and Apple plans to eventually bring the feature to the iPad as well. Untold the iPhone 15 Pro's glass panels previously emerged in a May hands-on video back in March, and Tips or Ice Universe shared a mock-up of how the new displays may look. The regular iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are expected to get updated with dynamic island cutouts, but the 120Hz promotion displays will remain exclusive to the Pro phones. The second big change expected on the iPhone 15 Pro series is the move to a titanium frame, which will be stronger and lighter than the current stainless steel implementation used since the iPhone X days. Beyond the new screens, the 15 and 15 Pro lines will get a series of other new features, marking the biggest update since the device added 5G capability 3 years ago. The 15 Pro series will get updated cameras, with an actual periscope lens being exclusive to the 15 Pro Max, offering 6x optical zoom. The Pro models will also get the Apple S17 chipset, fabbed on SME C3M known, and slightly tweaked back design with softer edges. The vanilla 15 and 15 Plus will reuse last year as a 16 Bionic. German also believes that the iPhone 15 series will adopt the new chassis design from the iPhone 14, which will make all of Apple's upcoming phones easier to repair. USB-C is also on the menu. The device added 5G capability 3 years ago. The